to see each and every one of you again. In case you are just passing by and decided to stop to watch me, thank you. At least you give me the opportunity to prove myself in some seconds. Okay. Welcome to my channel, Success Recipe channel. Here is all about fun, cooking, some other business topic, real life topic. So feel free to watch other of our video too. Today, I'm going to show everyone how I pre-cook and spice up my meat before cooking. I understand that some people don't really have time to be able to always cook, prepare fresh meat each time they want to cook. But I'm here to solve that problem. You can actually pre-cook your meat with my special recipe. You understand? With my special recipe, you can actually pre-cook your meat and store it in the fridge, and it will still give you the same taste as if you cook it the same day. So it will save you some stress and some other things, especially people that has children that doesn't really have time to always cook fresh meat each time they want to prepare some food for their family. So this is easy way out, you understand? So I will show you guys, and before then let me drink some water. I will not mind my business, sorry. Is you guys will mind their business. But this tumbler, I will link, I will put the shop link at the description where I got it, so you can go and get yours. It's very affordable, and if you look at this, is rhinestone and it's very cheeky. You see, it comes with Bluetooth too. Bluetooth mode. So you can easily get yours, and okay. Cover off. So as for the tumbler, it's come with its rhinestone, so classy and so cheeky, you know. And also it come with this the straw. It come with the straw. Another thing is that the Bluetooth, you can easily remove it and wash the, if you want to wash the tumbler alone, you should remove the Bluetooth and wash it. And the charging time, mostly 1 hour. You can charge it for 1 hour, and the battery life 7 hours up. So you see, if you're a traveler, if you want to add chicken, this is the kind of cup you should use, you understand? So here I will be showing you guys, I'll be giving my reviews on the product that I bought, and it seems to be nice. So I will show you guys, and I will tell you guys the way I tell you guys about the spices, that is the same way I will show you guys. So stay tuned and drink water. Oh, and mind your business. I'm so happy to see all of you here. So let's go back to the business of the day. Talk to you later. I love you guys. Bye. So the first thing you have to do is to wash the meat. Make sure that you clean here before you put down your meat inside any kind of sink. So
What is the sky? Ramiamo, Ramiamo. You tell me that is rare, Ramiamo, Ramiamo. Where should I put my shoe,
I
Ramiamo,
understand that some people
Ramiamo. You
usually
tell me
put
what
some
to
salt
do,
while washing their meat.
Ramiamo,
It's okay
Ramiamo.
if, for instance, it is in the local market
You
and
make
you
me
notice
walk
that
on
maybe
your
some of the
toe.
meat
Give
might
me
indirectly or
your
directly has touched the
toe.
ground. So you can put the salt just to take it out, you understand, so that there will not be any kind of sand inside the meat, you understand. So in this case, I bought this meat from the supermarket and there's nothing like sand inside the meat. So just wash it like and normal washing, and you just put your spices. And as for your information, this is 1 kilo of meat. 1 kilo. So in case if you want to store in your fridge and you live alone, you can just buy 1 kilo. And the spices I'm going to use is for 1 kilo. So if you want to buy like 2 kilo, you know that you will double the spices. So I have to wash up this place again because I don't want everybody to start smelling blood of meat. So it has to be washed. Okay, and always use lemon. Use this. It removes the odor of even fish. So from your sink. So if you use it, always use it in your kitchen. It helps. It's not paid advert. So it's just like my recommendation. As I told you guys, if the product is nice, I will always talk about the product here. So the next step is to start spicing. So these are the 4 major spices we are going to use in preparing this. So as you can see, this is thyme. This is thyme, but I will put little bit of thyme, just little, because I will use the meat for cooking soup too and to prepare some stew and rice. So I don't want to put a lot of thyme. As I told you before, if you like thyme and you cannot stand putting a lot, you can blend the thyme so that you will not see any traces in it. That will save you some stress while cooking soup. And another one is this. Today we are not using no cubes, we are going to use Maggi cube. So for this 1 kilo, we'll be using 3 cubes of Maggi. We'll be using 3 cubes for this 1 kilo of, so that the it will have enough flavor. It will taste very nice. There's no that kind of spices inside it apart from this cube and this. So for 1 kilo, use 3 cubes of Maggi. So I'm trying so that I'm showing you guys so that you get the whole thing. So this is the pepper I will use. I will put little. It depends on because this you still while cooking you will still put another things inside. So you can just put like just little, especially if you have children and or elderly person that you are cooking for. Their system is like children's system now, so we have to be careful of pepper, except if they like it, which I doubt. And this is salt. So you put little bit of salt. So you don't have, so the whole of your thing will not be, the whole of the meat, not your thing, sorry, will not be salt, will not be salt. So you put little bit. This is enough. Just like if you can put like 2 pinch of salt, that should be enough. So now we are going to cook it, and you have to turn everything, please. After putting the whole thing, you have to turn. You see this Maggi, it has not really dissolved. You have to try. Although if it is in the fire, the Maggi will dissolve. So the Maggi will dissolve if the food is in the fire, it will dissolve. Everything will dissolve. So don't worry much about the Maggi. Just try to turn the other ones. Yeah. And even if you think the Maggi will dissolve, please check it. If the Maggi do not have the capacity to dissolve on its own when you are cooking the food, if the Maggi do not dissolve, you can use your wooden spoon to dissolve it. So now, so this is the cooking time. We have to leave it. We have to leave this whole thing at least 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. It should be done. But I will check it from time to time to make sure that everything is fine with it. So let me clear this whole thing. Okay, now let's check the meat. So as you can see, some of my Maggi is still not yet dissolved. So you can use your wooden spoon and match it, make sure that it dissolves. Yeah, because sometimes Maggi cube is very strong. It doesn't dissolve quickly like Knorr cubes. I'm looking for the other ones. I think maybe the other ones has dissolved. So you have to be careful of Maggi cube because if you did not dissolve it, you can be cooking, and after cooking and you dish out food and somebody will just choose some Maggi from your food. That is not nice at all. So we have to try as much as possible to make sure that the Maggi cubes dissolve very well, so that somebody will not chew some Maggi inside the food. They should only taste it, but not to chew it. It doesn't feel good. You see this one, it's still here. You see. So this one has not dissolved. So you have to use your wooden spoon, find all of them and make sure they dissolve very well. Or if possible, you can dissolve it, just pour it inside before you cook. You understand? So you don't make mistake and cook everything and it has not dissolved. So let's take precaution and be very, very careful. So you continue to leave the meat, and it has not really parboiled very well. There's still some fresh ones there, which is not our mission. So our mission is to parboil it, so everything will be fine. So, ta-da! Okay, as you guys can see, the meat is ready now. Yeah, it's ready. So what I usually do, I don't know how big your fridge is, but if you have some white, you see that time I was complaining about is here. You see how it's up. So this is not, seeing these things hovering around when you are cooking soup is not really so good. So this meat, I will make sure, if I want to use it to cook soup, I'll make sure I will make sure to remove the thymes that are visible. So that's why I advise you guys to blend the thyme. If you know your meat, you use it for multi-purpose, blend it, just blend it so it will not be visible like this. So this is it. You see, this is how I spice it. So the next thing I will do is just to put it in the fridge and That is all, and store it so that anytime I want to cook, it will be so easy for me. You see, it doesn't take time. So in less than 10 minutes, you have already done all this and parboil it. So it takes maximum 10 minutes washing, putting in the pot, putting spices, and yeah, 10 minutes everything is ready because you will still put it in the food and every other thing. So that is the video for today.
What is the sky? Ramiamo, Ramiamo. You tell me that is real. Ramiamo, Ramiamo. Yeah, should I put my shoe? Ramiamo, Ramiamo. You say put it on your head. Ramiamo, Ramiamo. You make me papa loco. Take it loco. The way you give me this, I'm walking there. I'm guessing I'm counting that this. What color is the sky? Ramiamo, Ramiamo. You tell me that is red. Ramiamo, Ramiamo. Yeah, should I put my shoe? Ramiamo, Ramiamo. You say put it on your head. Ramiamo, Ramiamo. You make me papa loco. Take it loco.